we started signals and system guys in very much comprehensive manner. Already I completed total 4 lectures and this is lecture number 5. In last class we solved questions based on the properties of continuous time impulse function. Okay, so first of all tell me, am I audible properly? Audio and video both are clear or not? Tell me in comment box. This is lecture number 5. Chapter is Introduction to the Signals and System, and the topic is Some Standard Signal Part 4. Some Standard Signals Part 4 the topic, and let us start guys. So we completed unit step function or step function, continuous time, then rectangular function and continuous impulse function. Continuous impulse function is also known as direct delta function. Now next is ramp function guys, continuous time ramp signal. So here mathematically it is given by x of t, which is equal to a into r of t guys. So a into r of t is equal to, amplitude is a, here it is a into t, a r of t equal to a into t for t greater than or equal to 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. Correct? This is the mathematical representation. Now graphically how it looks guys. Graphically here graphical representation. So this is x of t, that is a into r of t. And you can observe here guys, for t less than 0 amplitude is 0, for t less than 0 amplitude is 0, and for t greater than 0 you can see guys, if t equal to 0 amplitude is 0, if t equal to 1 amplitude is a guys, correct? At t equal to 1 amplitude is a, at t equal to 2 amplitude is 2a, at t equal to 3 amplitude is 3a, at t equal to 4 amplitude is 4a, and so on guys, correct, and so on. So let me draw it very good fashion. So here it is linearly increasing function guys, linearly increasing function. At t tends to infinite amplitude is infinite. So here let us mark this is 1. You can take non-integer value also guys, you can take non-integer value also. Okay, so at t equal to 1 amplitude is a guys, t equal to 2 amplitude is 2a, at t equal to 3 amplitude is 3a. So amplitude is a, this is 2a and this is 3a guys. And as this is the increasing function, we will get the positive slope guys, as this is increasing function right side, so that's why you will get the positive slope guys. Okay, so if from left to right guys, if from left to right amplitude is increasing, then you will get the positive slope, and if from left to right, as we are moving from t equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, if amplitude is decreasing, linearly decreasing, then slope will be negative. So if you want to check whether the slope is positive or negative, simply you have to see, you have to observe the change in slope from left to right. Left to right, that means from t equal to minus infinite to plus infinite. So from t equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, from t equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, it is increasing linearly, then positive slope, and if it is decreasing linearly, then negative slope guys. This is very much important point. Okay, so here if you want to measure the slope, then here how to measure the slope, dy by dx, and then simply find the magnitude of this slope guys, magnitude of this slope. And how to find the sign of slope, I told you guys, simply magnitude of this slope. So here this is dy guys, okay, and this is dx, correct, dy dx, are you getting? So here if you want to find the slope of this signal, slope, so slope is equal to dy by dx, mod dy by dx. So simply find the magnitude of this slope, and as it is increasing, that's why positive slope. Okay, first you have to find only magnitude, first find only magnitude, Then how to check whether it is positive or negative? Left to right, increasing or decreasing? So here magnitude dy you can say this is 3a and this is a guys. Here a and this is 3a. So dy is nothing but 2a guys. Okay, 2a, and dx is 3 minus 1, it is 2 guys. So here slope is a, and as I told you, from left to right it is increasing function, linearly increasing, that's why positive slope. So here plus a indicates the slope of this signal guys. Okay, so this is your standard ramp function. Clear to each and everyone? Okay, now let us continue guys. Let's continue. Suppose he wants to draw x of t is equal to 2 into r of t minus 3. So here this ramp starts from t equal to 0 going towards right side, because here plus t guys, plus t is there. I told you guys, if in the bracket independent variable is plus t, then it goes towards right sided signal, and in bracket if independent variable is minus t, then from starting point it will go towards left side. Okay, so here we can say this is the plus t guys, same concept that I taught you in unit step function guys, right sided signal, left sided signal, starting point. So here see plus t, so it will go towards right side, and here minus 3, that is opposite sign. It starts from the opposite sign, that is plus 3. It starts from the plus 3 and going towards right side guys. Now here plus 2 is there, so it will be increasing guys, right side increasing, correct? Right side increasing from t equal to 3 guys, from t equal to 3. Okay, from t equal to 3 guys. Now see how to draw. Direct method. First of all, standard method. What is the standard method? So left hand side, you can see here, left hand side, t become t minus 3. You replaced this t with t minus 3. You replace this t with t minus 3 guys. T with t become t minus 3. Right hand side also everywhere t become t minus 3. Right hand side also everywhere t become t minus 3. So here also t become t minus 3 greater than 0. So it will be, now instead of a, here value of a is 2 guys. So it will be 2t minus 6 for t greater than or equal to 3, and it is 0 for t less than 3 guys. Okay, so let us draw this. Okay, so for t less than 3 guys, for t less than 3 amplitude is 0, t less than 3 amplitude is 0, and for t greater than 3. Now t greater than 3 guys, here plus 2 is there, so right side linearly increasing guys, plus 2, that's why you can see the slope is plus 2, so right side increasing guys, it will be like this, the slope will be plus 2. You can see guys, if you put t equal to 3 here, then it will 0. If you put t equal to 4, then 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 2 2 guys. Okay, so at 4 you are getting amplitude 8, you are getting amplitude 8 guys. At t equal to 4 amplitude is 8, and t equal to 0 amplitude is 0. What is the slope guys? Here you can observe the slope dy by dx is plus 2, increasing, that's why plus 2 guys. So here slope is plus 2 guys. Got it? In this way we can draw this ramp function. Suppose now I am asking to draw x of t is equal to minus 3 r of t plus 5. Then again guys, now directly also you can do, guys. So see, plus t, that means right side signal, and what is the starting point? Opposite side. It will start from t equal to minus 5 going towards right side. Now ramp function, that means linear. Ramp function means linear. Now greater than -5, for the greater than -5, it will be increasing or decreasing, linearly increasing or decreasing. So from the sign of this amplitude here, so here -3 is there, that's why linearly decreasing, guys. So how to draw this one? So here you can see, so start from the -5, right sided signal, so less than -5 amplitude is 0, and greater than -5, now increasing or decreasing. So you can see here, guys, -3 is present, so that's why for greater than -5, it is decreasing like this, okay. What is the slope, guys? Now for slope you have to observe from left to right, guys, observe left to right. So slope is what? Increasing or negative or positive? So you can see, guys, slope is decreasing, guys, from left to right. This function, left to right, this function is decreasing. Left to right, as you are moving from t equal to -∞ to +∞, it from -5 it is decreasing, guys, decreasing. That's why negative slope, okay, that's why negative slope, and the value of slope will be -3, guys, this one, -3, correct. Now suppose we want to find the amplitude at t equal to 0, guys. What is amplitude at t equal to 0? So how to find this point, guys? Simply you have to write the magnitude of slope, okay. Magnitude of slope is nothing but mod dy by mod dx, guys, okay. So here this thing is dy and is dx. So what is the magnitude of this slope, guys? So magnitude of this slope will be 3, okay. Dy, that we have to find, guys, magnitude of the dy we have to find, and what is the magnitude of the dx? Dx is 5, guys, okay. So you will get magnitude of this dy is 15, guys, okay. So this is 15, okay, total is 15, guys, okay. So magnitude is 15, and if this point is 0, then what about this point, guys? Total is 15, this is 0, and negative amplitude, that's why it is -15. So in this manner you can find any point, guys. Simply you have to take magnitude of this slope, that is only distance you have to consider. Dy is the distance, dx is the distance, magnitude of this slope, then you have to observe total is 15, this is 0, so of course this should be -15, guys. In this way you can find this value. Now again you can observe dy by dx slope is -3, correct, okay. Now suppose we wants to draw x of t is equal to suppose -2 plus 2 r of -t plus 3, okay. Now directly also you can do, guys, and with the standard method also you can do. What is the standard method? What is the standard method, guys? Okay, so what is the standard method? First of all, standard method is what? Left hand side we replaced t with -t plus 3. We replaced t with -t plus 3, guys, correct. So right hand side also everywhere here t become -t plus 3. So right hand side also everywhere t become -t plus 3. So here this is 2 and t become -t plus 3. Here also, guys, t become -t plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So which is equal to -2t minus 6 for t less than or equal to 3, and it is 0 for t greater than 3. This is standard method, okay. Whatever changes you are doing at left hand side of the equal to, then same changes occurs in right side also, guys, okay. T become -t plus 3 left hand side, right hand side also everywhere t become -t plus 3, guys, okay. So here now what is the direct method? Direct method is what? Direct, without doing this, how to draw directly? So you can observe here, observe the method. Observe the standard method, guys. Okay, this is the standard method. Direct. So as this is minus t, so left sided signal, and left side signal to same side, starting point will be same. So here plus 3, so starts from the plus 3 only. Plus 3 starts from the plus 3 and going towards left side, guys, because left sided signal. So going towards left side, so of course greater than 3, amplitude is 0. Now left hand side it will be increasing or decreasing. How to decide? Left hand side it will increase linearly or it will decrease linearly. How to decide? So from this value, guys, from this value you can decide left hand side will be increase or decrease. So here plus 2, that's why left hand side it will increase, guys, always. Here plus 2, so going towards left side, but left side increasing, going towards left side increasing, guys. Okay, because this is plus 2, we will cross verify also, plus 2, that's why from 3 going towards left side and it will increase like this, correct, linearly increasing left side. Fine. Okay, now again, what about slope, guys? This is very much important. What is the slope? Now here slope is increasing or decreasing, guys? Slope is positive or negative? What is the value of slope? Slope is positive or negative, guys? So I told you, guys, for slope always you have to check amplitude changes from left side to right side. For slope always left to right. For slope always left to right. Okay, you want to check whether slope is positive or negative. You have to check, or you have to observe the amplitude changes from left to right. So as we are moving from left to right, it is decreasing linearly. Left to right, as you are moving from t equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, t equal to minus infinite to plus infinite, it is decreasing. That's why you have to take slope negative. For slope always you have to observe the change in amplitude from left to right. Okay, so as you are moving from left to right, amplitude decreasing, so slope is here minus 2. Remember this thing, slope is minus 2, correct? Slope is minus 2. Here also you can see, guys, from left to right it is decreasing, slope is minus 3. Okay, here also decreasing, that's why slope is minus 2, guys. Okay, now what about this point, guys? What about this point? Here also you can see y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c, so m equal to minus 2, so slope is negative, correct? Now here I told you guys how to find this point. So slope, magnitude of this slope, guys, magnitude of this slope is equal to mod dy by mod dx. So here magnitude of this slope is 2, so mod dy that we have to find, and what is the dx, guys? Here this, so this is the dx and this is the dy, this is dx, so dx is 3, guys, implies mod dy is equal to 6, mod dy equal to 6, so this total is 6, guys, total distance is 6, and here this is 0, correct? This is 0, guys, here 0, total is 6, and here amplitude is positive, that's why amplitude is plus 6, guys. Now you can check 6 and 3, amplitude slope is minus 2. Got it? Any doubt in this? This is very much important shortcut, guys. This is the very much important shortcut. Sorry, my mistake. Here it is what? Yes, here it is minus 2t plus 6. Plus, my mistake. Here you can make the correction. Minus 2t plus 6. Yes, you are correct. Minus 2t plus 6. Okay. Of course, here it is minus 2t plus 6. Now you can check, guys. Now you can check at t equal to 0. Put t equal to 0, guys. If you want to check this is whether this is right or wrong, you can put t equal to 0. If you put t equal to 0, then you get 6, guys. If you put t equal to minus 1, suppose if you put t equal to minus 1, then what will be the amplitude? So here at t equal to minus 1, check the amplitude, guys. At t equal to minus 1, if you put t equal to minus 1, so amplitude will be 8. So you can check. Okay, so this is correct only. Now let us take one more question. Suppose wants to draw x of t equal to minus 4 r of t minus 2 t minus 2. Now direct method, shortcut. So left side or right side, guys, of course here this is minus t minus 2. So right side or left side, this is left sided signal, guys. Okay, left sided signal starting point will be what? Same sign, -2. So it will start from -2 going towards left side. Okay, now left side increasing or decreasing? Left side linearly increasing or decreasing? That we have to check. Okay. So here starting point is -2, -2. So left sided signal, that's why greater than -2, 0. Now left side decreasing or increasing? You can see -4 is there. So that's why left side decreasing function. -4, that's why decreasing function. So less than -2 it will be decreasing like this. If you moving towards left side, it is decreasing function. But it, because -4. You can see here this is +2, that's why left side increasing. And here this is -4, that's why decreasing. Now what about slope, guys? If I am asking to find the slope. Now for slope, tell me, +4 slope is there or -4 slope is there? So you can see, I told you guys, for slope always from left to right. So left to right it is increasing, guys. You can see left to right it is increasing as you are moving from left to right. As you are moving from left to right, it is increasing, guys. Increasing, that's why positive slope. Increasing, that's why positive slope. So here the slope will be +4, guys. Slope is +4. Okay, remember this thing. Slope is +4. Suppose here suppose I am asking one point. Suppose this is -1. Suppose, then what is the value of this point, guys? What is the value of this point? What is the value of this point? So I told you guys how to find that point P. Suppose this point P is there. So mod 4, guys, slope mod 4 mod dy by mod dx, guys. This one you have to take this value, this triangle. Okay, so here is your dy and this is your dx. What is the value of dy? So dy is 1 and dx we need to find, guys. Correct? You can see, guys, dy here, this one, dy is 1. Magnitude, only magnitude you have to take. So here mod dx is what? 1/4, guys. Mod dx is 1/4. Correct? Are you getting? So dy is 1 and mod dx is 1/4, guys. Then what is the value of this point P? What is the value of point P? So total dx is 1/4, guys. Here dx is 1/4, difference is 1/4 and this is 2, guys. This is 2, correct? This is -2 and total is 1/4. So what is the value of P, guys? Directly you can say, what is the value of P, guys? So add 1/4 into this one, guys. That is -2 minus 1/4. So it will be -2.25 or -9/4, guys. Can we select this? -9/4. Yes or no? -9/4 is there. -2, total difference is 1/4, guys. If it is -2, then it will be -2.25 or we can say -9/4. So this point P will be -9/4, guys. Now again you can check dy by dx, you will get the slope 4, guys. Dy by dx, you will get the slope 4. Correct? So point P value is -9/4. In this way, guys, in this way we can find this point P, guys. Any doubt? Because this is very much important, guys. This is very much important. Okay. Now reverse type question. Reverse type question means graphical representation is given and you have to find its mathematical representation. Suppose I am giving this one. Suppose this is given, guys. Ramp function is given -2. Suppose this. So first of all we have to find the magnitude of this slope, guys. We have to find the magnitude of this slope. So what is the slope, guys? The slope is nothing but here dy by dx, magnitude of this slope, guys. Magnitude of this, correct? So what is the magnitude of this slope? So this is dy and this is dx, guys. Okay, this is dy and this is dx. So dy is 4, dx is 4 by 2. So magnitude is plus 2, guys. Okay, very good. Now how to write mathematically, guys? Mathematical expression x of t is equal to, first of all, it is a ramp function r going towards right side, of course starting from -2 and going towards right side, so it is right sided signal, so that's why plus t here. And if it is right side, then opposite sign. I told you guys, right side opposite sign and left side same sign. So opposite sign -2 is there, so here it will be plus 2. Got it? Plus 2. Now here you have to write plus 2 or -2, guys. Here this slope is plus 2, magnitude of the slope is plus 2. So tell me, here you have to write to plus 2 or -2. So it is right side increasing, so that's why plus 2, guys. Correct? Whether it is plus 2 or -2, how to write plus 2 or -2, guys? So right side it is increasing, that's why plus 2. Suppose left side decreasing, then you have to write -2. Similarly, if left side increasing, then plus 2, left side decreasing, then -2. First of all, you have to find the magnitude of this slope, and only magnitude, mod dy by dx you have to find. Then here right side increasing, that's why plus 2. Suppose right side decreasing, that's so you can write -2, guys. Okay. Now let me take one more question, guys, so that you can get the clarity. Okay. So see, let me take one more question. Is presentation fine, guys? Is it visible properly on your screen, computer screen, laptop or tablet screen? Is presentation visible properly? Tell me. Is everything fine? Font size, color combination and diagram, each and everything is fine. Please comment in chat box if there is any improvement need. Suppose this is 3, is 6, at 6, guys, at t equal to 6, amplitude is given 2, guys. Amplitude is given here, this is -2 negative amplitude. So write in ramp format, guys. Write this in ramp format, guys. Second question, the question. Okay, the question. So first of all, tell me what is the value of slope, guys. What is the value of slope? What is the value of slope? The magnitude, guys. Magnitude of slope I am asking. Magnitude of slope. So here this triangle, to find the value of slope, triangle you can take. So in this triangle, this dy is 2, guys, and dx is 3. dy you can say 2 and dx is 3. So the magnitude of the slope is dy by dx, nothing but 2 by 3. Correct? 2 by 3 is your slope. Now right sided signal or left sided signal, guys? Of course, starting from 3 and going towards right side, so it is right sided signal. So x of t, and linear function, that's why ramp. If it is linear function, that's why ramp, and right sided, that's why plus t. Right sided, that's why plus 3, and right sided, that means opposite sign. So starting point is plus 3, opposite sign, that is -3. Okay. Now here I have to write plus 2 by 3 or -2 by 3. What should be the value? Here if it is, tell me, guys, it is whether it is plus 2 by 3 or -2 by 3. What should I have to write? Plus 2 by 3 or -2 by 3 will come. Here, comment box, tell me. I am asking, I am expecting answer from each and every one. Comment box. Plus 2 by 3 will come or -2 by 3. Plus 2 by 3 will come or -2 by 3 will come, guys. So here decreasing, guys, starting from 3 and going towards right side, linearly decreasing. So decreasing, that's why you have to write -2 by 3, guys. Decreasing, that's why -2 by 3. Correct? -2 by 3, guys. Now let me take one more question. More question. Okay. So write the mathematical expression of this graphical representation of the signal. So first of all, it is starting from -2 going towards left side, so left sided signal. Okay. First of all, tell me what is the magnitude of this slope, guys? Magnitude of slope. Tell me what is the magnitude of slope, guys? So this is dy and this is dx, guys. Dy dy is 4 and dx is 1. So the value of slope is, magnitude of the slope is +4. So x of t is equal to r, left hand side signal, so that's why -t. Starting from -2, so opposite sign. Left hand side signal, starting point will be same sign. So -2 is there. Left hand side signal, same sign. And what about here, guys? It is +4 or -4. Now tell me, what you have to write? +4 or -4? So left hand side is increasing, guys. You can see left hand side, this function going towards left hand side, amplitude increasing. We can say if you moving left hand side, the amplitude is increasing. So that's why you have to write, guys, here +4. Okay. Actual slope is -4, guys. Magnitude of the slope is 4, but slope is -4 because for slope left to right decreasing, so slope is -4. Magnitude of the slope is 4, and here you are moving towards left side, then increasing, that's why +4, guys. So this thing you have to remember. Got it? This thing you have to remember, guys. So directly you can write the answer. Here also, guys, see one more question. So -6, -3. So first of all, tell me what is the magnitude of this slope. So dy is 3, dx is 6. Slope is, what is the value of slope? 3/6 equal to 1/2. Magnitude. I am asking the magnitude. Only magnitude of this slope. Okay. So here x of t is equal to ramp function, because linear ramp. So r of left hand side signal -t, same sign, that is -6. Now here what I have to write, guys? -1/2 or +1/2? -1/2 or +1/2 will come into picture. So if you are moving from right to left, left hand side, so left hand side is decreasing, guys. Left hand side is decreasing, amplitude is decreasing left hand side, that's why -1/2, guys. -1/2. Here left hand side increasing, that's why +4. Left hand side decreasing, -1/2. Right hand side increasing, so +2. Right hand side decreasing, -2/3. Got it? Very much simple. Okay, fine. So this is all about what? Ramp function, guys. Ramp function. Now we know that differentiation of first order differentiation of unit step function is, first order differentiation of unit step function is first function. Then what is the first order differentiation of ramp function? What is the first order differentiation ramp function, guys? Here r of t is nothing but t, guys, for t greater than 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. Okay. Now differentiation with respect to t, guys. If we do the differentiation with respect to t, and differentiation of t is 1, guys. Differentiation of t is 1, and this is the limit here. Don't apply differentiation here, guys. The condition. See, remember this thing. Don't apply differentiation here. Okay. Don't apply differentiation here, because this is x-axis parameter. These are the x-axis parameter, independent variable. Okay. So here this is for t greater than 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. Correct? Now what about this one? So here there is a sudden change in amplitude, because for t greater than 0 1, t less than 0 0. So here it is sudden change in amplitude. So don't write equal to here, guys, because there is a sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 1. So that's why don't write equal to. At t equal to 0, sudden change in amplitude. So this is nothing but, can we say this is u of t, guys? This behave like u of t, guys. Nothing but unit step function, same as u of t. Correct? U of t. So that's why differentiation, first order differentiation of ramp function is nothing but u of t. Okay. So this you have to write in short notes. And also first order differentiation of unit ramp function is unit step function. Step function. One more way, guys. So you can write ramp function in this step function also. R of t equal to t into 2 of t for t greater than or equal to 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. So here can we write, if you don't want to write this condition, guys, if you don't want to write this condition, then instead of this you can write u of t. Correct? Because u of t also 1 for t greater than 0, it is 0 for t less than 0. So if you don't want to write this condition, of course you can write u of t. Correct? U of t, because u of t also same, amplitude 1 for t greater than 0, it is 0 for t less than 0. So r of t is equal to, this is t, and instead of 1 and this condition you can write u of t. You can say, correct, t into u of t. So r of t is nothing but t into u of t, guys. Now if we do the differentiation t r of t, differentiation by part. So t fixed, differentiation of second function. So differentiation of dut by dt plus this differentiation of t, guys, differentiation of t, and here u of t is fixed. U of t is fixed, correct? T fixed, differentiation of u of t, then differentiation of t, and u of t is fixed, guys. So here t r of t upon dt, which is equal to t into del t plus u of t. Now we know the property, guys. Property here t naught, product property, t naught equal to 0. Put it here, guys. So this term will be 0. It will be 0, guys. So d r of t upon dt, t r of t upon dt is equal to what? Here 0 plus u of t. So answer is again u of t. This is the one more way, guys. Correct? So differentiation of r of t is nothing but u of t, guys. Differentiation of ramp function is u of t, and again if you differentiate, this term, then differentiation of u of t will be impulse function. Got it? So what is the important part, guys? What is the important part here? Important part is a, suppose x of t is equal to a into r of t. So here a will be slope, guys. A will be slope. If you differentiate, then it will be amplitude for step function. This a behaves like amplitude for this step function, because differentiation of r of t is u of t. Now here a is what? What is the a, guys? Here a is amplitude. Here we can say a is a slope of ramp function. It can be positive, it can be negative, and here it is amplitude, guys. It is amplitude. If it is left to right increasing, then a is positive. Left to right decreasing, a is negative. So here it will be positive and it will be negative, guys. Correct? Okay. So what exactly I want to say, guys? The ramp function. Suppose ramp function, okay, a to r of t, guys. Okay, a r of t. And what is the differentiation of this one? What is the slope, guys? Here slope is, correct, slope is left to right, it is increasing. Left to right it is increasing, left to right. Don't want slope. Okay, so differentiation, first order differentiation will be, it is step function a into u of t guys. It is the unit step function. If this right sided, then this differentiation also right sided. Okay, so here you can see step function like this, correct? So, and here now this is a guys. Okay, so dx of t by dt, nothing but now a into u of t, correct? Here plus a, then differentiation of plus a guys. Okay, so this is the differentiation dx of t by dt. If x of t, then this is dx of t by dt guys. This dx of t by dt. Clear? Clear guys? See, if this is increasing, then here also positive amplitude guys. See here, increasing linearly, then here sudden change positive guys. And again differentiation, again further differentiation, then it will be what? Then it will be a impulse function, t equal to 0. T equal to 0 impulse function with positive area, because as this is increasing guys, step is increasing from left to right. See, this is increasing from left to right. This is increasing from left to right, increasing from left to right, increasing from left to right. That's why positive amplitude. Now this is also increasing from left to right. That's why positive area in impulse function. Positive area in impulse function. So it will be like this. It will be like this guys, correct? So here area, amplitude always infinite, but area is a guys. This is further differentiation of x of t guys, times second order differentiation of x of t. So again differentiation of further differentiation of x of t is nothing but a into, correct? Here a is a slope, here a is amplitude, and here a is area guys. Here a is a slope, here a is amplitude, and here a is what? Area, area of impulse function guys. This is nothing but a into del t guys. What? A del t. Got it? A u of t guys. A u of t and a r of t. Got it? Fine. So this is very much important observation guys. Clear to each and everyone? Fine. Now see how this we got t into u of t guys. One more observation, t into u of t. So you can see guys, t multiply with u of t. So this is function t for all t guys. The function t for all t, and we are multiplying it with the u of t. What will be the resultant signal? What will be the resultant? So here this is t for all t. This function is t for all t. Okay, this t signal is x of t is equal to t for all t. For t less than 0 also t, for t greater than also t guys. Okay. Now if you multiply with this u of t guys, multiply this signal with u of t, what will happen? It would 1, then this is u of t guys, multiplication, correct? So multiplication will be what guys? What is the resultant signal? So for t less than 0 you can see guys, for t less than 0 this t multiply with 0, it is 0 guys, and for t greater than 0 this t multiply with 1, so it is t, so it will be nothing but r of t, correct? T into u of t, which is nothing but r of t guys. Got it? Sorry. Here for t less than 0 it is 0 guys, and t greater than 0 t multiply with u of t, or t multiply with 1, it is nothing but t only. The resultant signal is here, this is t in u of t, it is nothing but is same as r of t guys. This look like r of t. Okay, slope is 1, because here slope 1, so here also slope 1 guys. Okay, so t into u of t is nothing but r of t. So the observation is r of t is equal to p into u of t. Now suppose left hand side I am replacing t with t minus 1. Okay, t minus 1 or t minus general t naught. T minus t naught, where t naught is any constant value. It can be positive, it can be negative, integer, or integer 0. Okay, so we are replacing left hand side. Left hand side, you are replacing t with t minus t naught. So same changes occurs. Same change occurs on right side also, guys. Left hand side t become t minus t naught. Right hand side also everywhere you have to replace t with t minus. Here also. Very much important observation that you have to write in the short notes. Correct? Short notes. Now, suppose x of t is equal to 2 r of minus, then find and draw guys. Find y of t x of t upon dt and z of t is y of t upon dt, dy of t by dt, guys. Then what will be your answer? What will be the answer, guys? Okay, so see here, so x of t is given, x of t is 2 r of minus t plus 3 x of t upon dt. So differentiation of ramp function is unit step, guys. Correct? Differentiation of ramp function is unit step. Correct? And again you have to differentiate this t with respect to t, guys. So here t with respect to t, d by dt of this minus t. Are you getting? Here differentiation of ramp is unit step, and again differentiation of minus t. So differentiation of minus t is minus 1. So the answer is y of t equal to dx of t upon dt equal to minus, come outside, t by dt 1 minus 2 q of minus t. Again differentiation, z of t equal to dy of t by dt. So here z of t equal to dy of t by dt. What is the differentiation of this? So differentiation of step is impulse function. So minus 2 del minus t plus 3. Then again differentiation of minus t, guys. Again differentiation of minus t is minus 1. Are you getting? Again differentiation of minus t is minus 1, guys. Correct? So here z of t will be minus minus plus. So now plus 2 del minus t plus 3. Now property of impulse, scaling property, you can take minus 1 common, guys. So scaling factor alpha equal to minus 1. So it will be, an impulse is a even function, so it can take minus sign outside. So it will be plus 2. Impulse function is even, scaling factor minus 1. So 1 upon mod minus 1. So del t minus 3. So this is the impulse located at t equal to 3, having area 2, guys. This is the step function starting from plus 3 going towards left hand side, having amplitude minus 2, and this is the ramp function. Okay, in this manner you can see the differentiation, you can do the differentiation. Okay, differentiation also, and reverse is integration of u of t, already integration of del t, already I told you, step function, integration of step is nothing but ramp function. Fine. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, guys, in this? So this is very much important point. Okay, so this is all about ramp function, guys. This is all about the ramp function. Okay, ramp function. Now here if slope is 1, then it is what? Unit ramp function. Now next function is triangular function. Like rectangle function, the triangular function. So mathematical expression x of t is equal to a trie t upon capital T is equal to one more notation a delta, that is the triangle, t by capital T. Okay, this is also one way to represent the triangular function mathematically, and this is also correct. Okay, in some book you can find this, and in other book you can find this also, guys. So here a triangular t by capital T is equal to t by capital T. So here mathematical expression is a bracket 1 minus mod t upon capital T between minus capital T and plus capital T. Correct? Very much important. It is expression, you have to remember standard format. This is a into 1 minus mod t by capital T between minus t and plus t, and it is 0 otherwise. It is 0 otherwise, guys. Correct? So let us elaborate this thing, guys. A into triangle t upon capital T. So for the between minus t and 0, it is 1 plus capital T by T between, remove the mod, then one time minus, second time plus, guys. So minus t less than equal to t less than equal to 0 for negative value of t, guys. And it will be 0 for the, sorry, it will be plus t, for between 0 and plus t, and it is 0 otherwise. It is 0 otherwise. Is this clear? If you remove the mod, then first time negative, another time positive. Correct? So here y equal to simply mx plus c, guys. Y equal to, now you can see, guys, at t equal to minus t, here minus t, so plus t, okay, plus t for between minus t and 0, guys. If you put t equal to minus t, put small t equal to minus t, guys, small t equal to minus t, then it will be 0, guys. 1 minus 1 0. So at t equal to minus t, it is, if you put t equal to 0 here, if you put t equal to 0, so if you put t equal to 0, then amplitude is a, guys, amplitude is a, okay. And here in this case again, if you put small t equal to 0, that t equal to 0 amplitude a, and if you put t equal to capital T, so again 1 minus 1 is 0, guys, is 0, okay. Now other than this, so then here connect these two, increasing positive slope. Correct? Here you can see y equal to mx plus c. Here in this case, guys, here x of t signal y equal to mx plus c, guys, y equal to mx plus c. So a by t to t plus a, guys. Correct? So y is equal to mx plus c. So slope is what? A by t. Slope is a by t, guys, and in this case you can say x of t is equal to minus a by t plus a, guys. So y equal to mx plus c, guys. Y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is a by t, so slope is a by t, and here m is minus a by t, so slope is minus a by t. Here you can write slope is increasing slope a upon t, and here decreasing slope, so it is minus a upon capital T, minus a upon capital T. Got it? Minus a upon capital T, guys. Here, so this is what, guys, rectangular function, okay. This is the standard rectangular function. In triangular function, guys. This is the not rectangular function. This is the standard triangular function. In rectangular function, limit is minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. But here limit is minus t to plus t, guys. Remember this thing. Here starting from minus t ending at plus t. In rectangular function, minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. So this is the difference, guys. The difference that you have to remember. Fine. Okay. So this is your triangular function. Now next standard function is Signum function. This is also very much important function. Signum function, guys. So here, not Signum. This is not the Signum function. It's a Signum function. Okay. So x of t is equal to SGN of t, short form SGN of t. So here SGN of t is equal to amplitude is 1 for t greater than 0. Amplitude is minus 1 for t less than 0, and again at t equal to 0 there is sudden change in amplitude. There is sudden change in, so graphically it looks like this. So for t greater than 0, amplitude is 1. For t less than 0, amplitude is minus 1, correct? For t greater than 0, amplitude is 1, and for t less than 0, amplitude is minus. So left to right, there is a sudden change in amplitude from minus 1 to 1, guys. Okay, this is Signum of t, guys. Okay, Signum of t. Now we know that q of t, already I covered this thing. Q of t plus u of minus t is equal to 1, guys. U of t plus u of minus t is 1. Now what about x of t is equal to, suppose I am asking to draw q of t minus u of minus t. Okay, so let us draw, guys. This q of t is u of t minus u of t is 0. Now u of t, that means it is 1 for t greater than 0, standard u of t function. U of t is q of minus t. Okay, amplitude is 1, also 1. Is q of t is q of minus t. Now if you add these two signal, guys, u of t plus u of minus t, you will get 1 for all t, correct? If you do the addition of these two signal, then it will be 1 for all t, guys, correct? It will be 1 for all t, guys. U of t plus u of minus t is 1 for all t, but what about the u of t minus u of minus t, guys? If you do the subtraction of u of t and u of minus t, then what will happen, guys? So here for t greater than 0, amplitude is 1. So 1 minus 0, guys. For t greater than 0, 1 minus 0, it is 1. Correct? 1 minus 0, subtraction, 1, guys. And for t less than 0, 0 minus 1, guys. For less than 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 guys. 0 minus 1. Okay, just wait for a minute. Okay. So for t less than 0, you can see guys, for t less than 0, amplitude is 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. So it is nothing but Signum function. You can see this is the Signum function. Okay. Amplitude is 1, is minus 1. So answer is what? U of t minus u of minus t is Signum function. Okay. So what is the observation now? What is the observation? First we got u of t plus u of minus t is 1 for all t, and u of t minus u of minus t is Signum function. Let us mark this is now 1 plus 2 guys. 1 plus 2, it is 2 times u of t. So no, if you add these two equation, then it will be 1 plus Signum of t guys. So here u of t is equal to 1 plus Signum of t divided by 2 guys. Signum of t divided by 2, and here you can write Signum of t. This different format you have to remember for the multiple select question. So it is 2 times u of t minus 1 times u of t minus 1. Very much important observation. Okay, u of t equal to 1 plus Signum of t by divided by 2 also. Signum of t is nothing but 2 u of t minus 1 also guys. Similarly, if you do subtraction 1 minus 2 guys, 1 minus 2. Okay, so 1 minus 2, it will be 2 times 2 of minus t is equal to 1 minus Signum of t. 1 minus Signum of t and equal to 2 of minus t is 1 minus Signum of t divided by 1 minus Signum of t divided by 2. This is what? U of minus t guys. What about Signum of t? Signum of t in terms of u of minus t is 1 minus times minus t. This thing also you have to remember. Write this all in short notes. This one, all this one guys, this one, and this. All three you have to write in short notes, and prepare short notes regularly guys, because it will be very much helpful in revision. Short notes. Okay, so short note is very much important for you people in your preparation. Fine. Any doubt in this? Tell me now. Any doubt in this? So very much important. Any doubt guys? Okay, so clear to each and everything. Today's class. Any doubt in today's class? Tell me. Okay. So let's finish this class here guys. Okay, let's finish this class here. Let us wind up this class here. Okay, so guys, I hope all of you are getting. So guys, thank you so much watching me live on Get Wallah English channel, and please provide a valuable feedback in comment box after completion of this session. And next part we will continue subsequent module. Thank you guys. Thank you.